Location, location, location. This is it. Pristine Turnkey Stevenson Ranch. The 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is waiting for you. The interior features crown molding, hard surface flooring, high ceilings, a neutral color palette, and an abundance of natural light. As you enter, you'll notice the spacious open floor plan with the 4th bedroom or office just off the living room. The kitchen boasts ample counter space for those cooking enthusiasts, along with plenty of cabinet storage and a center island. The inviting family room with a gas fireplace is located just off the kitchen. The 2nd floor hosts the master suite, complete with double sinks, a jetted tub with separate shower, and walk-in closets. Additionally, 3 large bedrooms and a laundry area are located just down the hall. The entertainer's dream backyard offers a large shaded patio with an in-ground pool, spa, and waterfall. The garage comes with custom cabinetry and extra storage space. With easy access to freeways, this desirable property offers the best Stevenson Ranch has in an affordable home.